Welcome to the Quilt Block Studio. Today we are working on a log cabin block. For this block you are going to need 7 different fabrics, 3 in darker colors and 3 in lighter colors. Our center block is a 3.5-inch square, and the remainder of your strips are 2 inches wide in varying widths. Please download the pattern for the exact sizes. We're going to begin by sewing a 2-inch strip of the same color to the top and to the side. And the next light color is going to go on the bottom and the right-hand side. When you sew those all together, it's going to look like this. Next, we're going to add another round of the darks to the top and to the left side, and to the bottom and the right side. And when you're done that one, it's going to look like this. There we go. Finally, you're going to finish it off with your remaining darks. We're going to put the short one on top and the long one on the left. And with your last light strip, that'll go on the bottom and the last one on the right. When it's finished, it's going to look just like this. For more information, you can download the pattern at sparrowquiltco.com. See you next time.